She grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack where blue tick hounds broke as hell, blessed with beauty, kind that a rich man can't turn down. They all the time, the old man dancing, one summer night in a dim store dance. He had the looks, he had the mansion, you can figure out the rest. It was all roses, dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. He was all uptown wearing that white gown, taking his last name. You could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. Up in the loft, that whole choir singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. Just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. Jeannie was hosting junior league parties, having dinner at the country club. No one thought they were Ken and Barbie, but Ken was always having them too drunk. Tuesday night after a few minutes, Vinny came home, ready to fight. On all his money, could never save Jeannie from the devil living in his eyes. He was all bruises, covered in makeup, dark sunglasses. That next morning, sitting in the back pew, praying with the Baptist, she could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. Up in the loft, that whole choir singing, singing. Fold your hands, close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. Just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. She flipped out and